Kinder level. How to use electricity safety. Week 5.
Turn on the television.
Turn off the television. Turn on the lamp. Turn off the lamp.
Turn on the fan.
Turn off the fan. Turn on the lights. Turn off the lights.
Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Let's go. Let's go. The lights. Click, click. Turn on the lights. Click, click. Turn off the lights.
The lamp. Click, click. Turn on the lamp. Click, click. Turn off the lamp.
The television.
Click, click. Turn on the television. Click, click. Turn off the television.
The fan. Click, click. Turn on the fan. Click, click. Turn off the fan.
Kinder level. How to use electricity safety. Week 5.